Hello everyone, this is AJP Productions. This is part 2 of LEGO Train. So, we watched a video in the last part. As you can see, there's a difference here. On the last part, the train station was blue and red. And it didn't have a window. And there was no seat. Also another difference, the person changed. It's changed to the little boy. The little boy was in the first one, but it's changed in the actual LEGO train. It changed into a girl. I mean, little girl. Duh. And in the LEGO train, this train appeared in the background. And there was also this filler up. He fills up the train with the water for steam. And in the last one, there wasn't even any filler up throughout the whole thing. You can't see one. And the lines was like this. One going that way with the blue bit to hold it up. Another one going the opposite way with the blue on the opposite way to this one. But in the other one, it was grey bits that held it up. And these bits were the same. It was the same, like, pointing the same direction. And in the LEGO train test, the quality was bad. I mean, like, very bad. And there's only one bit of sound for the whole thing. But in the first one, there is lots. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's even a pause. 7 and 8. That is the end of part 1 and part 2. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel to help the channel get to 1K subscribers. Also, you can like it if you want.